Look at this picture. What do you think are they watching? Why are they wearing dark sunglasses? Why do they use a dark film? Can you tell what this phenomenon is? Have you seen this phenomenon before? What is the eclipse of the sun? How is the eclipse of the sun formed? What will happen on Earth when the moon blocks the sun? We know that the Earth revolves round the sun and the moon revolves round the Earth. During these revolutions at certain times, the moon comes between the sun and the earth along a straight line. Thus, the moon blocks the sunlight from reaching the earth. This phenomenon is called an eclipse of the sun or a solar eclipse. An eclipse of the sun can only occur at the new moon phase, when the moon passes between the earth and the sun. This eclipse occurs if the moon's shadow falls on the earth's surface at that time. What can be seen during the eclipse of the sun? Can you differentiate between a partial and total eclipse? During the eclipse of the sun, we can see that some portions of the sun's surface are covered by the moon. The diagram shows the phases of an eclipse of the sun. A partial eclipse of the sun happens when only a part of the sun can be seen. Only a part of the sun is blocked by the moon. This partial eclipse lasts from a few minutes to a few hours. When the sun is totally covered by the moon, we call this a total eclipse of the sun. When this happens, we only see the sun as a dark disk surrounded by a bright ring called the corona. This total eclipse lasts from a few seconds to a few minutes. Only certain parts of the earth will experience total eclipse of the sun. An eclipse of the sun occurs when the moon is directly between the sun and the earth. During the eclipse of the sun, the moon and the earth are in a straight line. Total eclipse of the sun is a spectacular natural phenomenon. Many people travel to specific locations every year to observe the total eclipse of the sun.